Hey guys, what's up? It's Scholar85 back in another unboxing, and this time, as you can see, it's for Hot Wheels Unleashed on the Xbox Series X. So yeah, I got this for Christmas. So yeah, really looking forward to playing this. Um, as you can see, it's a Day One edition, so it includes some DLC. So it includes a track manga, GT Scorcher, Hot Wheels Armored Truck, and Baja Bone Shaker. So yeah, there's the front, there's the side, there's the back. Pure racing fun. I'm really looking forward to playing this. So it's optimised for Series X. I'm not sure. 60 frames a second as well. I'm not sure how big the install size is. So there's the the DLC codes. Those two, I'm assuming. Please get back in. Or don't. And there's the disc. So yeah, that's it for my rather quick unboxing of Hot Wheels Unleashed on the Xbox Series X, guys. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and enjoy the rest of your festive season, and I will talk to you soon. Cheers, bye bye.